Hey guys, I'm sorry I'm going to miss today, Monday, and tomorrow, Tuesday, because my daughter is in quarantine. So I'm going to stay home, but I should be back on Wednesday. So I just wanted to give you a few instructions here. There's my daughter. She says hello. I have these on the calendar, what you need to do today. So if you come to the calendar, today is the 1st. So come down here to the 1st where it says Math Day 94. Click on it. Okay, this is just me in case you don't see this or something, just telling you that I'm sorry that I'm missing. And then you're going to do both of these assignments, you guys. So this first one, ratios sub 1, when you click on it, it is a ed puzzle. So it's just kind of a reminder of how to do ratios, which is what we did last week with the M&Ms and with the pictures of the fruit or the desserts and fruit and things like that. So remember, you can just do this right on here and then I'll get your all scores right below. Okay. So remember, you just play it. And if you have headphones, you can use headphones. If not, try to turn it down real low so not everyone's having to hear it at different times. Okay. So then once you've done that, don't forget to submit that. And then you'll come back to Math Day 1 or Math Day 94 and you'll do ratio sub 2. Ratio sub just stands for substitute because there should be a substitute or you will have been split up amongst classes. Okay. So now this has been giving me some issues today. Okay. So give it a few minutes to see if this will come up. Hopefully it will, but we haven't done a PowerPoint in here in a while. It's taken quite a maybe 3 or 4 minutes for this to come up for me. If for some reason it does not come up at all, I'm hoping while I'm talking it will come up. So if not, I'll explain what to do. But while we're waiting on that, you guys remember when there's a sub, you have to respect the sub. You need to stay in your assigned seats. Do not get up and move around. If you need to go to the bathroom or something, you have to use a pass just like before. And remember, if you get written up, it's an automatic detention. Okay, it's an automatic detention. So please be good so I know that I can leave you all. I'd be there if I could. Okay, so see how it took a little bit, and I do not know why this picture's not showing up. Hopefully it'll show up on yours. But remember, you go to edit presentation and you'll say edit in PowerPoint, open PowerPoint, and then it should come up. Okay, now I have written off to the sides over here little directions if it's not, and this is one of those where you click and drag. You click and drag. Here, you'll type it in. Some of them I've put answers in so you kind of know, but if you look over here, type in the correct answers. Some of them I've just left, but it's all ratios. You'll go through and see how I've written kind of how to do things. You'll move these arrows over. So I've written how to do those. If for some reason this does not show up, I'll show you what to do. Okay, so remember, see how it says, well, you guys don't see it because your screen isn't that big. Let me see if I can adjust it real quick. See, I moved it up a little bit. See, remember, you have to wait till that says saved up here in the upper, in the top up there, okay? So, then you exit out and it will automatically save it, okay? Now, it may go back to that. That's okay, I'm assuming, let's hope. If for some reason yours is not working after you've given it a few minutes, if you hit right here, intro to PowerPoint, you can download the PowerPoint. I do not do it in here. It's not going to work. You can download the PowerPoint and it'll show up on the bottom. And then here you go. And you can enable editing. And then you can do it all on here, but then you will need to save it to your computer. See up here where it says auto save? You'll want to click that so it'll save to the computer. and then you can message me through Canvas or you can email it to me. And if you can't figure that out, just save it and I'll help you on Wednesday when I'm back. Okay, but hopefully it'll work. Everything will work in Canvas. This is only if it's not working after you've given it a few minutes to start. Okay, so that is what you will be doing today. If for some reason, or if you finish that, then you will need to, if you finish all of that, then you will need to go to ALEKS and do 5 topics on ALEKS. Okay. All right. Have a great day. And I will have another video for you tomorrow explaining tomorrow's assignment. Okay. Bye.